quick video on how to go through and make your chat GPT even more personalized. You're going to log in, click on your little thing over here in the corner, click customize chat GPT. When you click on that, you're going to bring up this window here. Put whatever you want it to call you, put whatever you want it to say that you do. In here, you can type things like what I've got here. But you can also click these little short things to also add in some different stuff. You can um, hit the little refresh button and it'll just give little ideas. And what they'll do is they'll just pop up with little directions to help the chat GPT. Down here in the anything else you want to know, um, since I'm using this mostly for teaching, you can put however you want that to look there. When you get done, you're going to click save, and not only is it going to make your stuff more personalized to what you're actually doing, but as you can see, it gets a little bit funnier than it would have otherwise, and so it makes it a little more fun to use. So just thought something you might want to try out.